Hey, good evening, everyone. Just kind of want to show you where we are in this point of time. Just finished the overhead lights, so just kind of want to show you what they look like. So I'm standing back as far as I can in the garage area. So all the lights that are going to go overhead are up. So these 9 lights right here are in the kitchen. It's kind of, and you can see right here, these 7 lights right here are in the bedroom. I don't have that light right there plugged up yet or turned on. That's in the bathroom. It's over the shower. So like this is temporary. I just wired this up. This is all temporary because of course we still got to put the wall up. But I just kind of wanted to get a good look on how it shows. And this is the view from the other side, standing in the bedroom. And so these are the kitchen lights. So I went on and put the kitchen lights on the temporary switches, how they're going to be wired up. So so it'll be a switch here that will just control just these middle lights. And then we'll have another switch here that will control, the 6 outside lights. So depending on how much light we want, we can do it. And these are dimmable lights. So I do have the switches to make them dimmable. I just have not put them up because this is temporary. Like I said, we still got to put the wall. So this 12-volt sub panel will be right here, and that will control the lights, like with those switches right here. And over here, I will have another 12-volt sub panel that will be right here that will supply 12-volt power over here. Now, it'll probably just be the cabinet underhead lights, and 12-volt chargers or whatever like that. And so like this, so this is the 12-volt sub panel that will do the bathroom. And I will be putting another 12-volt sub panel in the bathroom as well. And they will all feed off of a 12-volt sub. Will be the main panel will be in here in the utility. So in all, I'll have a 12-volt sub panel here, 12-volt sub panel there, 12-volt sub panel in the bathroom, and a 12-volt sub panel right there in the kitchen. So that is just working on our 12-volt circuits right now. So this is not final, but this is the kind of schematic I did up for how the 12-volt will play. And I will be working on 120 once I get all this done. So I just want to give a quick show of what we have done. And we still got to finish these two rows of ceiling planks. So, but we'll get to that when we get to it. We have them. They're all over there. So, all right. Hey, thanks for watching and see you later.